Don't look at me here. I'm just hiding. Don't look at me. Alright, dudes. What is up? This is my first survival series video for Minecraft. And so, we're actually going to be doing Skyblock right now. And I've already started it just a little bit. And so, like, I'm going to give a tour, then we're going to do some Minecraft. Alright, so over here is where, like, I put an iron door here so I could, like, sneak and monsters couldn't get here. This is my mob spawner. And this is where all the mobs spawn. Basically. Oh crap, that's a witch. I'm gonna go now. Flip, 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 flip. Alright, you wanna go? I will kill you. If you want me to kill you, I will kill you. Okay, you got that? I have death. Alright. What is in there? Great. Please don't kill me now. I don't want to die. Really, I don't. Well, actually, I kind of do, because I have nothing to do. Well, anyways, so over here is my infinite water supply with crafting table, double chest. You might be wondering how I got, like, all these diamonds, emeralds, and stuff. I got that in a vote. Thing. There's my furnace. Crafting table, so they did that already. And then over there, I don't like over there because there's everything. I probably shouldn't put a pressure plate on the inside, just a button, but whatever. I like my wood, and I like to have even amounts of wood. Oh crap! Well, did I show you this? Probably not. But I'm actually just gonna die because I don't want to eat any more food, and I kind of just want to die now. So kill me if you. What are these? What are those? I'm confused. Oh, those are zombie villagers. All right. I will fight you, and then you will die. Yay! What just happened? Alright, so can I not go back? Wait, so I'm confused. Why can I not go back to my island? Oh yeah, /is, yes. Good, okay, well this is good and bad because I have a lot of XP that I lost. But I also have full health and everything. Alright. I'm gonna go fight them right now because they're nubs and I like fighting nubs because nubs are nubs and you know what I mean. Alright. Let's go. But they all flipping go. Oh my gosh. Hacks, I'm guessing. Or, you know what, I bet they're all on top. Actually, they're not. I'm confused now. Because I don't know what just happened. I mean, I lost all of my XP, but so what? It does nothing for you. Well, anyways. So, over here, this is like my secret hideout base when I feel lonely and have no friends. And go in F5 to see how lonely I really am. Oh my gosh, this is kind of weird right here. If you see my neck. Let's go! Alright. And this is actually the lava for my cobblestone generator. I'm gonna kill myself again. Psych. I kind of wish you could dab, but whatever. Wait, I'm gonna try something. Shift. Wait. And I click on E. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. Okay. Well, anyways, I'm gonna jump off the edge now. I don't lose inventory. It's keep inventory on. Alright, so I don't want to die. I just realized that I should not have. Yeah, basically. Alright, nothing up there, so I'm gonna go inside. And there's nothing good. I'm just gonna sit and just wait. Like, for a long time. Anyways, alright. So yeah, that's basically my island. Oh my gosh, all my trees grew. And I'm dead. Yay! And that's, oh my gosh. That's a blue moon. That's an Enderman surprise. Anyways. And it's kind of weird in this sky block, for whatever reason, when I put this block over the lava, like, I don't want to break that, but there's lava underneath here, I can promise you that, like, if I broke that. Without a pickaxe. Well, anyways, so, yeah, there's lava under here. But, anyways, it sometimes creates coal and iron, and it's just super weird. And now I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, thanks for watching this my first survival series episode. Comment down below and if I should make more videos like this, and like or dislike the video, and subscribe for more Minecraft.